Join me as I challenge myself to implement 5 easy changes to boost my health today and see how much of a difference it really makes. Making simple, actionable changes to our daily habits can have a significant impact on our overall health and well-being. By incorporating a few easy tweaks into our routine, we can start to feel more energized, focused, and confident in our own skin. And the best part is, these changes don't have to be drastic or overwhelming. Even small steps can add up to make a big difference over time. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about getting healthy is that it requires a complete overhaul of their lifestyle. But the truth is, small changes can be just as effective, if not more so, than trying to make drastic changes all at once. For example, a lot of people think that in order to get fit, they need to start running marathons or spending hours at the gym every day. But in reality, just taking a short walk each morning or doing a few jumping jacks during commercial breaks can make a huge difference. Another common challenge people face when trying to make healthy changes is the feeling of being overwhelmed by all the conflicting information out there. With so many different diets, workout plans, and wellness trends vying for our attention, it can be hard to know where to start or what to believe. But the key is to focus on making progress, not perfection. Rather than trying to follow a complicated plan or restriction-filled diet, it's often better to start with small, achievable goals that we can build on over time. Additionally, many of us struggle with the perception that healthy living has to be boring or restrictive. We think that in order to be healthy, we have to give up all our favorite foods and activities, and that's just not true. While it's certainly important to make healthy choices, it's also okay to indulge every now and then and to prioritize self-care and relaxation. One of the easiest ways to boost our health is by making small changes to our diet. This can be as simple as adding a few more servings of fruits and veggies to our meals, or swapping out processed snacks for healthier alternatives. We can also try to increase our physical activity by taking the stairs instead of the elevator, or by doing a few more reps of our favorite exercise each day. Another important area to focus on is sleep. Getting enough restful sleep each night is crucial for our bodies to repair and recharge, but many of us struggle with getting a good night's rest. By establishing a consistent bedtime routine, creating a sleep-conducive environment, and avoiding screens before bed, we can start to improve the quality of our sleep and wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. Furthermore, we can also make a significant impact on our health by incorporating more relaxation and self-care into our daily routine. This can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths during our lunch break, or scheduling a massage or spa day every few weeks. By prioritizing our mental and emotional well-being, we can start to feel more balanced and centered, and this can have a positive ripple effect on all areas of our lives. I want to share a personal success story that really drives this point home. A few years ago, I was feeling sluggish and tired all the time, and I knew I needed to make a change. So I started by making one simple change. I began taking a short walk each day. It was just 10 minutes a day, but it made a huge difference in how I felt. From there, I started to make other small changes, like adding more fruits and veggies to my meals, and practicing meditation a few times a week. And you know what? Those small changes added up to make a big difference over time. I started to feel more energized, focused, and confident, and it was amazing. Research has also shown that making small, incremental changes can have a significant impact on our health. For example, one study found that people who made small changes to their diet and exercise routine over the course of a year were more likely to maintain those changes long-term than those who tried to make drastic changes all at once. This just goes to show that it's often the small, consistent changes that can add up to make the biggest difference over time. So, what are the key takeaways from today's video? Remember, it's all about making small, achievable changes that we can build on over time. By focusing on progress, not perfection, and by prioritizing self-care and relaxation, we can start to feel more energized, focused, and confident in our own skin. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are some easy health changes you've made that have had a big impact on your life? And if you want to learn more about making healthy changes, be sure to check out my next video for more tips and inspiration.